Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn and explore the paragraph group available in the Home tab of Microsoft Word application. So let's get started. So in the paragraph group, you have some options regarding the alignment and creating a bullets and numberings to it. So if I select some of the paragraphs and when I go to the bullets and when I click on this button, you can see a dot or bullets come in front of every of the paragraph, right? So it searches out about the every of a point in a new line and assign a bullets to it. We can also change the design of the bullet which are available here, and you can apply that by just simply clicking on it, right? These are the bullets which comes with some of the designs, or if you want bullets in a form of numbers, alphabets or Roman numbering, you have another option of a numbering where you can just select the relevant type which you want as a bullets or numbering. All right, then you have some buttons available in the paragraph group related to the alignment. So by default it's left align. You can click on center, you can click on right, wherever you want your paragraphs to be. But there is also one more alignment option that is called justify. Now as you can see that on the left side, each of my point is starting from the same position and it's vertically straight, right? But on the right side, you can see that not each of the line is finishing at the same point, right? So few are back, few are forward, and we want to align this right side uh, text as well. So what we can do is we will select the paragraphs which we want to apply on, and we will go to the paragraph group and we will select this option that is called justify. Okay, so when you click on justify, now you can see that your left side of the each of the paragraph or a point and the right side is also equalized vertically, right? So this looks neat and clean and nice to read by the reader. Then you have another option of giving some spaces between the lines. So it has also been observed that in some of the journals or the research articles, there is also a request by the teachers that do some spacing between the lines. So you can increase and decrease this line spacing as well. You have two more options: add space before paragraph and add space after paragraph. So you can see a live preview on the back end. When I am hovering my mouse, you can see the difference, right? Then you have also a bucket from which you can assign the color. So I have selected 4 paragraphs and I want to give a kind of a background color to only to these paragraphs, not to the entire page, right? All right. Then you have another option which is called sort text. So if you have a list and you want to sort it alphabetically, right, from A to Z or Z to A, or likewise descending or ascending, so you can sort that list or points as well, right? Then you can give the borders to the selected paragraphs or points you have selected. So you can see a live preview at the back end, right? So there are different kind of borders are also available in the paragraph group as well. So I hope you like all these features available. There are more features to it. Even at the right side of the bottom of this group, you will find a small arrow. Click on it where you will find a paragraph dialog window, and you will find two different tabs: indents and spacing and line and page breaks, which we will definitely cover in the next coming videos of this series for the beginners. But in this video we are keeping it till here, but in more videos, in the detailed videos, we will also explore and practice about all these features available in the paragraph dialog window. So by default, these are the features which are available in the ribbon style in front of this graphical user interface. I hope you will apply all these in your documents wherever necessary. Thank you so much.